Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you use a Sharp TV without a remote. So here's a guide for your button controls and smartphone app. Step 1. Use the TV's buttons. Look for physical buttons on the bottom, side or back of the TV. Use power, volume, channel and input or menu buttons to control basic functions. Step 2. Use the Sharp TV app. Install the compatible Sharp TV remote app on your smartphone. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Select your TV in the app and use your phone as a remote. Step 3. Use a universal remote. Get a compatible universal remote, enter the correct Sharp TV code, and program the report. If you can then control the power, volume, channels, and inputs. Step 4. Use your HDMI CEC if you have a streaming device or game console connected. Turn on your HDMI CEC on the TV and connected device, then use the device a remote to control compatible TV functions. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.